Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to our today program. In this program, I want to tell you a topic about success. A young man asked Socrates or scholar the secret of success. Socrates told the young man to meet him into the river the next morning. They met. Socrates asked the young man to walk with him into the river. When the water got up to their neck, Socrates took the young man by surprise and swiftly dragged him into the water. The boy struggled to get out, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. Socrates pulled the boy's head out of the water, and the first thing the young man did was to take a deep breath of air. Socrates asked him, "What did you want the most when you were there?" The boy replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret of success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get it. There is no one other secret. There is no other secret." Dear viewers, this is a topic about success. Have a good day. Goodbye.